Subscribe to AAN Creation and press the bell icon for latest videos.
Welcome again, friends. Windows 10 now includes Night Light, a new feature to help you reduce eye strain and improves quality sleep when you're in front of a computer screen. Night Light on Windows 10 works by reducing the amount of blue light your display emits, which is the kind of light you see during the day. At night, if your eyes continue to receive this kind of light, increases the chances of your eye strain and disrupting your sleep. On the Windows 10 Creators Update and later versions, the operating system can show warmer colors to make it easier on the eyes and help you fall asleep faster at night. In this video, you'll learn the steps to enable Night Light on Windows 10. To enable Night Light on Windows 10, use these steps. First, open Settings and click on System. Next, click on Display. Under Brightness and Color, turn on the Night Light toggle switch. Alternatively, an easier way to enable night mode on Windows 10 is by opening the Action Center, press Windows key +A, clicking the Night Light Quick Action button.